Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, after rejecting our 8-day, continuing on lower with our 8-day crossing below our 21, again with a bear flag to the downside, now looking for that possible bounce back as we sit on a dragonfly doji here. Again, the question is from here, will we hold our 443 level for that possible gap to our 445 level? Again, Jerome Powell and the Feds will be speaking in tomorrow's FOMC at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So that will be the watch, in my opinion. If Powell mentions that we have possibly more increases in rates to come, then we are going to possibly have a major pullback here, and in my opinion, gap into our prior gaps that we had here. And then, in my opinion, we will possibly bounce back from there. Again, that is the watch. If we have a major pullback going into tomorrow, we will be looking for that possible bounce back going into next week. That's what swings will be looking for. And that confirmation will be with our 8-day crossing back above our 21 and us jumping back above our 8-day moving average to have that continuation. Again, that break will be on lower highs, breaking above and continuing on higher here for that bounce back from that pullback we may have here. So again, that is the watch. If we happen to have a major pullback going into tomorrow, we will see if we get that possible reversal back above 440. That is the watch in my opinion, guys. Again, even though we do have our increase in sell pressure, we have that capability of continuing on lower, but that confirmation will be with our 8-day crossing below our 50, and that bearish confirmation will be at that possible engulfing candle lower. That will be the watch if we happen to digest lower. But again, bulls very much on watch here. If Powell and the Feds get bearish tomorrow, how exactly we digest going into the following week will be the bigger watch in my opinion. Again, this is just my opinion based on increases in sell pressure here. We have our EMA lines that could cross back higher, and that would be that possible confirmation on that strength. So again, as we have our 12 below our 26, if we happen to cross back above our 26, that will be that confirmation that you are looking for as a bull. Now looking at our weekly candle structure as we anticipate on our daily candle structure, again, as we are looking to close this week, we are just below our prior close, just below our 8-weekly moving average. We are cautious. We can possibly continue on again lower to our 50-weekly moving average and possibly look for that possible reversal candle from here on higher lows, and then possibly continue on back higher here on lower highs, breaking into higher highs here would be that possible continuation. That is what we're watching out for overall. So that is that anticipation as we may have a pullback that we would possibly bounce on our 50 days, since we would need more confirmation and, in my opinion, more bearish candle structure with our 8 below our 50-weekly moving average to have that major continuation that may happen. So again, that's what we're watching out for overall. Again, back to our daily chart, looking at our fib lines, very key that we were looking at yesterday's fib here at 443. And then again, with that possible bear flag that was pretty much as clear as daylight, since we were rejecting our 8-day with our 8-day below our 50. I apologize I couldn't upload yesterday, but this was the video. I actually made the video and I just couldn't edit. I was feeling terrible. But we are sitting on a dragonfly doji. We are cautious to the downside, but again, with Powell speaking, we could have a continuation and gap back into this wick to the downside. Very cautious to the downside from here, since we do have our dragonfly doji. But if we get any possible bearish candle structure going into tomorrow, that will be the watch. Again, 443, 445 is going to be the watch. Watching our 8-day, if we cross back above our 21, that's what we're looking for here, guys. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, pre-market news as early as you're going to be finding it, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again, or mention in the comment section below if you're interested. Answer any questions you have. Again, we've been killing it in there, and again, we just stay humble. We just continue to take what the market gives us, stay blessed. That is our number one focus. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel. We will continue to go at it, take what the market gives us, as we have been cautious going into tomorrow's FOMC. Again, at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, we will see what the market gives us going into tomorrow. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. I'll see you guys in pre-market.